Hey everyone, welcome to the CBS channel and pretty much showing the Bataya plants blooming. That's the Moringa planted from, grown from seed, and that's from this year, earlier this spring. Those are already planted in the plot that I now have, the garden plot that is. That's Cavendish banana ice cream. That's the full-size Moringa back in the patio. And that was from last year. Those seed pods I already had harvested. So I already collected all the seeds. There's new growth. Looking really healthy. Now there's some mildew, some powdery mildew, and I think that's because I overwatered the moringa. Um, yeah. So a lot of new growth is doing really, really well. But that's from last year, so you can tell it's really healthy growth. And there's no mildew because I didn't water that much. So I'll try to reduce the watering for the moringa. Some nice photos of the moringa, Malungai.